Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. First up we have someone who is going to be trying out the wolf cut hair trend. So as you guys know, we are seeing a lot of layered hairstyles this year, and the wolf cut is definitely one of the hottest hair looks that you can try out. It has pretty much gone viral on TikTok, and it is a great way to add some layers to your hair. This is absolutely beautiful. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have another very popular hair trend, and that is, of course, the mullet. This is a look that has managed to somehow make its way back from the 80s. Now, this variation is very chic and modern. And this is a great option if you have curly hair and you want to create a nice shape to your texture. Next up, we have this pixie haircut transformation. So this person already started off with pretty short hair, but they decided to take things much shorter with this beautiful Peter Pan style pixie cut. Beautiful bangs in the front, classic pixie style. Next up, we have a haircut and hair color transformation. So the stylist ended up doing face framing blonde highlights as well as a beautiful lob haircut. Next up, we see a haircut and hair color transformation. So she decided to dye the hair black as well as get the hair cut into a beautiful bob haircut. Next up, we see this beautiful stacked pixie cut. This one features long bangs in the front, beautiful cascading back. Lots of shape and texture with this particular pixie. Next up, we have another long to short hair transformation. So she starts off with a long waist-length hair. And bam, a beautiful bob haircut. Middle part down the center. All black hue, classic little bob. Now, if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.